Hi friends, today's experiment is floating lemon experiment. Things required are 2 glasses of water, a lemon and salt. Let's take 2 glass containers and fill them with water. To the second glass, let's add few teaspoons of salt and mix it well. Let's drop a lemon in the first glass. The lemon sinks because it has higher density than pure water. Now let's take out the lemon and drop it in the second glass. The lemon floats. The density of water increases when salt is added to it and hence it floats. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.